Here I am in a customer, so as you can see, I was fixing the faucet outside, the spigot, and as you can see, they have a tree. They have the palms that you see here, these 3 trees, and I went to the house. Inside, they have a swimming pool, they have everything. They have the bathroom, they have a shower, and the guy told me that they had a big storm, and these trees, they were moving like crazy. Besides falling and producing some damages, the roots started growing, under the bathtub, and then all the tiles start, coming out. I'll put the picture later. So my recommendation is, if you're going to have a house, all the trees at least minimum 100 feet away, minimum. So that, or no trees at all, because even if you don't have roots coming out from your bathtub or from the floor or anything like that, if you fall on the roof, you're going to have a big damage. It looks nice in pictures and everything, but in theory, and if you don't have much resources, this is going to cost hundreds or thousands of dollars just in repairs. And if you have to cut the trees, easily you can spend maybe $2,000 in 2026 just to cut them, to take them away and everything. And if you have to redo the tile, everything inside of your bathroom, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 easily, depending on the damage. So, and if the pipes breaks, even worse, even more. So this is my advice. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know. Section below. See you next time.